Whichever friend told you white rice is healthy, drop them. I mean, drop them as a friend, not physically. They're probably too heavy anyway from all the calories they're eating. People seem to hear the word rice and automatically think low calories. The truth is, only certain types offer this benefit. In the case of white, a single serving contains 53 grams of carbohydrates. And I don't know about you, but a single serving ain't gonna fill me up. If you're trying to shed a few off the old waistline, there are plenty of great foods that work as substitutes. Ever heard of Bulgur? How about vitamin K? Which great side item helps fight Alzheimer's? All that and more will be answered in our list of 10 healthy alternatives to white rice. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for a steady diet of Bestie content. So why white rice? It can't be that bad. You're right, there are plenty of other foods worse for you than white rice. That doesn't answer my question, why white rice? It's what I survive on. To be honest, you may just have answered your own question. Because of its cheap price and easy cooking methods, white rice has become one of the go-to foods for young people on a budget. Due to its process after harvest, many of its nutrients are stripped away. Since it's eaten in such large quantities, this can take a toll on your health. Here are some potential replacements. Barley. We know some of you guys are probably scratching your heads and thinking, barley? That sounds gross. Well, we hate to break it to you, but if you're among the 99% of folks who've tried soup in their life, you've already had it. Barley is a cereal grain found in a variety of healthy foods. It contains many great nutrients, including fiber, vitamin B1, and copper, among others. These can help your digestive system as well as reduce bacteria in your gut. But how does it help me lose weight? Well, it's simple. Barley carries hormones that release into your body upon consumption. This boosts your metabolism, allowing you to shed pounds quicker. Bulgur. Let's get this out of the way. Bulgur doesn't exactly sound like something you want to ingest, but keeping with our theme of weird-sounding food items, bulgur can be a great replacement for white rice. A member of the cereal family, bulgur originated in Mediterranean culture. Another ingredient in your favorite soup, bulgur can also be a fantastic addition to veggie burgers along with regular vegetables and spices. While it may contain 34 grams of carbs, a single serving also contains 6 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, and 10 milligrams of calcium. The wheat will also assist your gut in battling harmful bacteria. Green beans. Now, at this point, you may be asking yourself, what kind of list is this? Is this a conspiracy to make me eat boring vegetables? Is my mom setting me up? Don't worry, we're not trying to force bland-looking vegetables down your throat. Don't like green beans? We can always talk about more bulgur. Green beans are a popular side item for many a meal. A single serving contains 28 calories and only 5 grams of carbs. Quinoa. Among the most popular health foods on earth, quinoa is another smart choice in the world of weight loss. A gluten-free pseudo-cereal, a single cup of quinoa can hold up to 8 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, as well as large amounts of iron, potassium, and copper. Served best with salads and other greens, quinoa's mix of nutrients helps lower blood sugar and cholesterol. Plus, how often do you come across health food with such a cool-sounding name? Cauliflower. When it comes to fun, nothing says it quite like cauliflower. That was a joke. But did you know that the most boring-sounding vegetable can be the healthiest for you? While your inner child is probably screaming and pounding, just follow along for a second. Cauliflower is high in fiber and provides antioxidants, which can help stop cancer cells from growing. This stuff might be saving lives. While cauliflower itself will suffice, chicken cauliflower fried rice is great looking for those looking for a little more flavor. Rice pilaf. While we're on the topic of exciting and healthy blends, this one is sure to give your taste buds a much-needed boost. While white rice is normally used as the base for pilaf, any type will suffice as you're looking to enhance the overall taste. For all of our beloved bulgur enthusiasts out there, you'll be happy to know that many cultures even use this as a substitute. Other pilaf ingredients include spices as well as various meats and dried fruits. Squash fries. Looking to be healthy all while keeping your cool factor alive and well? Squash fries will do the trick. While thinking about squash can make most shiver, we assure you that squash fries are nothing to cringe over. This delicious, low-fat snack is surprisingly cheap on carbs at just 20 grams. Instead of chowing down on grease-soaked, salty French fries, squash fries prove to be a fresh and tasty new food. Brussels sprouts. I hope we're not driving you away with our choices, but we're trying to help you. Expand your mind, guys. Ever heard of vitamin K? Well, it's responsible for regulating calcium, increasing your metabolism, and even preventing blood clots. Since the average adult requires a minimum of 90 to 120 micrograms per day, Brussels sprouts are more than enough as they contain 150 mcg per half cup. Broccoli salad. Navigating the world of vegetables can be tricky. There are just too many healthy choices to choose from. Developed as a wild cabbage during Roman times, broccoli eventually spread across the world to become the most hated food on your child's plate. We think it's time to change its legacy. Like Brussels sprouts, broccoli is a great source of vitamin K, as well as fiber and potassium. Add some red onions, sunflower seeds, and dried cranberries, and you have yourself one heck of a nutritious salad. Be cautious when cooking, however. Boiling your broccoli tends to drain 90% of its nutrients. You're best off steaming, frying, or nuking them in the microwave. Kale and squash salad. When it comes to the palates of most young people, they're not exactly diverse. Bringing up kale is enough to have you running for the hills. Just hearing the word makes some people say, "On second thought, I think I'll stick with bulgur." Like it or not, kale is amazing for your body. Along with the usual nutrients of copper, potassium, and calcium, kale also contains a large amount of vitamin A, which can strengthen your immune system, lungs, and kidneys. With these kinds of benefits, why not use it as a base for your salad? When you're not busy eating them as fries, mix some squash in as well as pomegranate. The antioxidants offered from this mixture may act as an effective agent against Alzheimer's disease. What's your favorite item from this list? Is there a substitute you have for white rice that we may have missed? Sound off on the comments section and don't forget to subscribe to the Bestie channel. Bon appetit! Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.